So this is a new clock that I'm working on, variation of a TIX style clock, TIX, that used to be pretty popular in the 80s and 90s. You'll notice there's 4 different colors: red, blue, green, and yellow. The red and blue would be for the hours, so it would be, there's 1 red and 2 blue, so that would be 12. And then for the minutes, you have two green and 6 yellow, so that would be 26. So the time would be 12:26. So the settings for this particular clock, there are no buttons to set. You pair it with your phone and give it your Wi-Fi credentials, and the time is sent from the cloud as far as the lights that are lit up, and that's all you have to do. Anyway, it's just kind of a nerdy type clock, and I like nerdy type clocks. So you have to think a little bit before you read the time on it, but it's actually pretty intuitive once you look at it a little bit. If you can count to 10, that is, or 9 actually. You only have to count to 9. So anyway, I just wanted to post it. Have fun. Let me know in your comments what you think. Thanks a lot.